So we're kicking off DevLog number 9, I believe. Yeah, so we're kicking this off pretty much right away. I've been spending hours so far working on just these. Why won't it load? There we go. Just these characters. So I'm using a base model for it, and I'm developing the character on top of it. So this is going to be the tamer character. I'm really happy with it so far. I'm not sure about the hair though. I might change it up. But yeah, so now what I do is I look at it and then I take away the color for the base player because I don't do really well with pixel art. So doing the skin colors and the shading of that I wouldn't be able to do myself. So I'm just using the base model for it to get an idea of it. And so all I do is the color dropper, pick it, and then draw it. But then for this kind of stuff, like the colors in here, the hair, and all of that, that's all custom. So the only time that I use the base player model is when I need the colors for the skin tone and going around the eyes and stuff like that. That's all I need it for. So yeah, I'm just gonna kick it again back into this, and hopefully we can finish the walking to the left animation for the tamer character. Alrighty, so I've done quite a bit of work right now. Yeah, so I've been, as you know, working on the other players, and I've only been working on the tamer, and I didn't realize how much work it would actually be doing it. So I've been going through it, working my way through it, and working on it. So this is what I got so far. Just the tamer walk. Yeah. So we're just gonna drag and drop this in right now, and then we're gonna make another one of these players and see how it looks. It'll be looking to the side, of course, but it'll be nice to see it working and all of that. Because if it's not working, there's a problem, right? So is that, what did I set it to? Lie. 170. 170. Clamp, point to point, no filter, apply. Sprite editor, slice, slice, apply. Okay. Player 2, duplicate. Player 3. Of course, I'm not going to actually use the player 1s and 2s in here. It'll be the names of the actual players. So Tamer, Knight, and Thief are the 3 that I have so far. So let's see. Yeah, let's go with this one. So 1. Yeah, you know what? Doesn't look half bad. Yeah, you know what? Doesn't look half bad. I was thinking about redoing the other ones too, but I don't think I will be, just because this one's taking me a really long time, as you guys can tell, because I haven't uploaded a video in quite a while actually. So I think I'm going to finish up on the tamer graphics, so I can actually remove this now because I don't want it. It was just to see how it looks and all of that. But, so remove this and delete that, save it. Yeah, so I'm going to finish up on those graphics, but while I'm doing that, I'm also going to work on the load game and finish up on some of the characters' backgrounds as well. As soon as I finish all of that stuff, I think we're just going to move on to devlog number 10, because this one's taking quite a while, and I want to get the ball rolling with more things, implementing more ways of doing things, adding more items, and all of that. So a lot of these things take a lot more time. So if I can create the tamer character, that would be awesome, and then just build it up from there with the characters, and then start adding more items, fixing bugs that I have currently seen, getting all of that done, polishing it up a little bit, and then possibly dev testing. So I'll be right back once I finish creating the tamer character, and we'll get work to the loading game. So this episode is all over the place, and it's going in every which direction, not really having a focus-based thing. So I did start on the save and load stuff, but I didn't get to finish it, and I didn't finish the tamer player. So what I'm going to be doing is, next episode is going to be more focused on finishing the save and load, and then I'm going to tell you guys my plan that I have for creating the characters and how I'm going to show you that and all of that stuff. But yeah, so I'm going to mainly focus on finishing up the load and save. Just doing both of them right away, because then it'll be easier for me to get all of this out, and then I can start playing the game and testing all of this stuff. So that is the plan for that. Yeah, I'm sorry that this episode, or this devlog, went in every which direction and wasn't super focused, and it's much longer than the other ones. So I'm gonna try and make the next one a little bit shorter, so then I don't bore you all to death. And then going on from there, I'm gonna try and make them a little bit shorter. Sometimes they'll be longer, and I can't help that. Sometimes they will be shorter, and I also can't help that. But just keep in mind that I'm trying to keep the same length of video for all of them. But yeah, so next episode, working on the load game and the save game. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the flip side, kiddo.